We are looking to improve our cybersecurity posture by increasing our Microsoft cybersecurity score. I would definitely recommend starting from upgrading to Microsoft Business Premium. This license allows us to unlock lots of features to then fulfill the recommendations from Microsoft and improve our score. Let's say one of the best features from Premium license is Intune. We can enroll our company-owned devices into Intune, apply the cybersecurity policies on it, and make them more secure the way we want. There is lots of people now coming into the office with their own mobile devices. Microsoft Premium allows us to control the applications that they have installed on without touching their own personal stuff. Have you ever clicked on the email and you wasn't sure if it was safe, or you clicked on the link? Well, Microsoft Premium license keeps you safe. Before the email hits your inbox, it's already been checked, all the links been verified. Microsoft Premium license provides us with the Defender. A Defender for Endpoint, which secures our device, providing the EDR solution, reports then back to Microsoft and allows us to quickly respond to the accidents. With Microsoft Premium, we have something called conditional access. We can block locations that we don't do business with or we don't have team members in. We have blocked signing in anywhere in the world except UK. So even if you know my credentials, somehow you tricked me to provide the MFA code, or you steal the token from my device, you still won't be able to log in if you are not in the UK, which is awesome feature. Let's say people are bringing out their own device and we need to let them in to use our company data. We can apply the conditional access, what their device needs to meet before we even allow them to access our company data.